In this video, you'll learn how to add cookie consent on Webflow. By following these steps, you will effectively integrate cookie consent functionality into your Webflow project, ensuring compliance with privacy regulations. Begin by navigating to your Webflow project, open a web browser and enter the URL for your Webflow site. This should direct you to the home page of your specific Webflow project. Next, locate the Apps section in the Webflow dashboard. This can typically be found in the left sidebar menu. Clicking on the Apps icon will take you to a new screen where various applications and integrations are listed. Once you are in the Apps section, type cookie consent into the search bar at the top of the page. The system will filter the available apps in real time. Look for the option labeled cookie consent among the search results. After that, click on the cookie consent app to open its details page. This page provides information about the app and its features. You should see a button labeled Install on Site prominently displayed. Now, click on the Install on Site button. This action will initiate the installation process. Wait for the confirmation message to appear, indicating that the app is being added. Next, you will be prompted to authorize the cookie consent app. Click on the Authorize Cookie Consent button. This will redirect you to a new authorization screen where you will need to grant necessary permissions for the app. After the authorization screen loads, you will see a checkbox that requires your confirmation. Click on the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions presented. This step is crucial for allowing the app to function correctly. Then proceed by clicking on the Authorize App button. This finalizes the authorization process. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that the app has been successfully authorized and is now integrated with your Webflow site. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.